Sienimäekatu 7 niin Imatra staircase B.
Oh, strange.
Looks like a bit train
What?
station or metro station elevator.
What the? Oh, this is weird.
Yeah,
Very
it is
weird.
installed late. Hydraulic.
Built in 2006, age 412977, first range.
It's quite rare.
Yeah.
And weird, really weird.
There's holes,
Yeah.
like in Russian Soviet elevators.
Welcome to Soviet Union of Russia. Delta pictures.
Black Delta pictures.
Yeah. Back doors.
Six person, 450 kilograms.
Very quiet.
Yeah.
Inspected by inspector and maintained by Kone. This elevator is very strange.
Yeah.
It doesn't look like it looks like actually that it has been modernized.
Or actually, it looks like a bit like a metro station elevator or train station because this the ceiling is completely steel. And
Yeah, but I think this one is modernized.
No.
no, because
Oh,
this building is actually from 70s and for
are you sure?
yeah, 70s
You can
or
press.
80s.
Oh, strange.
Okay. And it's installed in 2006, I think.
Oh, yeah. Yeah,
Just
strange.
doesn't say it's modernized.
Well, not all elevators do, but this one has a new serial number.
Yeah.
Here's the view. This elevator is hydraulic.
Yeah.
Road hydraulic.
Basement.
No. Ground floor.
Basement.
Oh.
What the K means, on the basement.
On katu tässä. Siis ground floor.
Yeah, I know, but it says.
No.
Yeah, but it says it's K.
Like katu tässä.
Oh,
That's it.
that's it.